Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Autoradio 1DIN Stereo Multimedia MP3 Player Digital Bluetooth FM ISO Power Auxiliary Input USB Bluetooth Universal Autoradio. This little device is packed with features that will take your car audio experience to the next level. Let's start with the basics. This car radio has a built-in digital MP3 player and FM radio, so you can listen to all your favorite tunes while you're on the go. But it doesn't stop there. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can easily connect your phone for hands-free calls and music streaming. The sound quality is top-notch, with support for various audio formats like MP3, WMA, APE, FLAC, and WAV. And with the 60W-X4 power output, you'll be able to crank up the volume without losing clarity. But what really sets this car radio apart is its versatility. It has a front auxiliary audio input, so you can connect MP3 players, smartphones, or any other audio device. It also has a USB/SD/MMC card reader, and can support up to 32 GB of memory playback. Plus, with the included remote control, you can easily navigate through your music and radio stations without taking your eyes off the road. The installation is straightforward and comes with everything you need, including the power and car speaker cable set, installation fix metal, and a detailed manual. And with its sleek black faceplate and gray rear cover, it will seamlessly blend in with any car interior. So, if you're looking to upgrade your car audio system, this Autoradio 1DIN Stereo Multimedia MP3 Player Digital Bluetooth FM ISO Power Auxiliary Input USB Bluetooth Universal Autoradio is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your driving experience. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.